all of you. I am Sonakshi Vidhani of class 9B, and today I am presenting a part from Indian historical event. Indian freedom struggle is one of the most significant process in the history of India. The British people entered India in the year 1600 with the objective to trade certain items like silk, tea and cotton, and slowly started ruling the country. They gradually started to create chaos in India and made Indian people as their slaves. Therefore, India went through some of the hardest times to gain independence from the British rule, and the first movement against the British was initiated in the year 1857 by Mangal Pandey, who was an Indian soldier. There are various other movements that helped India to get independence. Some of them are Civil Disobedience Movement. This movement was started against the British monopoly on salt, due which Indians cannot trade or manufacture it and have to buy salt from British people by paying huge sums of money. Quit India movement was another hope for India to gain independence. This movement was instigated by Mahatma Gandhi and Indian National Congress on August 8, 1942, during the Second World War. This movement was started to end the British rule in India. However, it proved to unsuccessful, but the Britishers realized that their power declining gradually in India. Also in the year 1943, the Indian National Army was formed to impel British out of India. Also in the year 1943, soon the Britishers settled on an agreement and decided to move out of India, which consequently took effect on 15 August 1947, and India gained independence. Our various soldiers and freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get India free. Thank you.